Hey guys, Jason here. Just got done installing. As you can see, I lost about a gallon of diesel on the ground there. But I just finished installing the lift pump upgrade, the Carter lift pump upgrade, and the upgrade harness with the wait to start prime from Leroy Diesel, which I got through John Faddis of Quad Star Tuning. This is my 93 DB2 mechanical injection GM3 turbo. I've been running out of fuel. I have this pump cranked all the way up, and I just installed the upgrade harness, and this is a little bit shoddy. I mean, the upgrade harness is high quality. It's good stuff. I really like it. Got my power hooked in. It was real easy to install. In fact, I can hear the pump right now. Oh yeah. Holy crap, that's a lot of fuel. See that? That's way more than that stock piece of crap. Looks like a fuel filter on steroids. That thing. I replaced that. Still running out of fuel. Of course, at wide open throttle. Frickin' thing running out of fuel like crazy. Stupid thing. Hated that stock. I mean, it kept up fine until I cranked it all the way. I had it up 2 flats at first, and then I ended up with like almost a full turn in on the injection pump. And boy, she moves now. Got a 4-inch system out the back, the Diamond Eye, plus their crossover. I have an A-Team turbo. Yeah, you can laugh. I'm gonna dyno this now that I got fuel. We're gonna dyno stock turbo, and then we're gonna throw the A-Team on. I also have an HX35 off of Cummins, but that's on my 6.9 IDI Ford right now. I don't know if John Faddis would be interested in sending me one of his Super 54 or the Super 60, and we could test them on the same platform. Because I want dyno numbers. I have never seen dyno numbers on one of these trucks. Stock versus upgrade. So this is stock, basically. Cranked up pump, stock turbo with a spring on the wastegate so that it can't open. Got boost and barometer gauges, so I'm gonna do a dyno puller 3 and check this, see what kind of power we can get with the stock GM3. And then we'll upgrade to the A-Team, see what we do. And then we might test the Super 54 or Super 60, depending if they want to do that. I mean, of course, mine doesn't apply to a lot of things because I don't have a DS4, but I mean, there's plenty of DB2 guys out there, and it would be some solid numbers because it's mechanical, so it doesn't reference boost or anything. All it goes off of is RPM and fuel input. So, I mean, you know, it's a very good comparison tool to actually compare turbos. So, anyway, that's all for now. And I recommend the upgrade harness for sure. Even if you got a stock lift pump, it's a great upgrade.